the same exact thing I make all the time for breakfast. I eat the same thing every single day until I get tired of it, and I haven't been tired of this yet. I've been eating it for like a month straight, but it's actually 8 o'clock on the dot. And I also made a little protein smoothie. I usually don't drink these in the morning, but I want to start drinking and incorporating more protein into my diet. So easy way to just drink it in the morning, get it out the way. Also with the gym, it's easy to just get up in the morning, get it out the way so that you don't have to like squeeze it into your day once your day starts getting busy. But I really hate going to the gym in the morning because I'm always so tired. So I'm about to log on and start doing some work. I actually have hybrid classes. So I have 2 classes that are in person, and then I have 1 Zoom class with the teacher online, and then I just have a completely online class. So yeah, today I have a lab, so I have to go to school for my lab. The lab is for my environmental science class. That's probably one of my favorite classes, and I had my first exam like a few days ago. It actually went pretty well. So school's going good so far. Little school update, it's going good. But I'm gonna start working on some geography class work. I have like a little discussion post to submit today. I am about to start getting ready for school. I'm just going to be doing my very basic minimal makeup, the same thing that I usually always do. I do have 2 new products that I want to try out today, so I just wanted to film this and show you guys the products. I still have not done my eyebrows. I feel like every video I've been talking about doing my eyebrows. I also feel like this looks like the same sweater that I went to the gym with, but it's not. I didn't wash my hair today because tomorrow's Friday, so Friday's the day that I usually like to film my curly hair video, so I obviously want to wash my hair for a video tomorrow, but I don't know what to do with it today. I probably will just end up re-braiding it. And I'm going to be using mostly all of my Merit Beauty makeup. This is their Perfecting Complexion Stick. I'm in the color Khaki. So Merit actually sent me a new blush and a new shade Slick. I'm going to be trying these out today. I think this one will be perfect for spring because it is the color Terracotta. It's like an orangey color it looked like online. Let's see. This is what it looks like. I love their packaging so much. And then this is the color. This is Terracotta. I'm going to show you guys the 2 other ones that I have. I have Beverly Hills and I also have Raspberry Beret. So let's see what they look like side by side. So I have Terracotta, Beverly Hills, and then Raspberry Beret. So I'm going to go ahead and try Terracotta out today. I've never used the blush that's this color. Well, it actually doesn't look that orange on my skin. I don't know, I feel like I was kind of expecting it to look a little bit more orangey, but it's super pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, and I always put some on my chin. And I'm gonna go ahead and use that same brush I use all over my face to blend out my blush. I don't know about you, but I like to put a lot of blush on my face. I just feel like it makes your face look so alive and fresh and young and youthful. and all those good things. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Control Freak to set my eyebrows. I'm also using the Merit Lengthening Mascara. And lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using the shade Slick in the color Falcon. This is actually a brown color. It looks really dark, but I know that the shade Slicks are like a really sheer, like thin consistency. I have the color Marrakesh and I also have Bel Air. Bel Air is actually supposed to be clear, but I always use her with brown lip liner. And I feel like that's kind of what I hope, at least, that this one gets me, is like a brown lip liner with lip gloss on top effect, you know? So let's see what it looks like. It does look pretty dark, but I think it'll be pretty sheer. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of what I was going for. This is what the color Falcon looks like on my lips. I just did like a very thin layer because it was actually a little darker than I thought it was gonna be. That is pretty much it for my little minimal makeup routine. I'll have a link down in the description box where you can shop Merit Beauty. You should definitely try a product or two from their brand. I've been loving them literally since they launched. I've been using their stuff. Their products are just right up my alley. Super minimal, clean beauty, simple, easy, all of your basics, all of your essentials, they got you. I am about to head out for school. I put on something more school appropriate, I suppose. I actually wore this sweater in one of my other videos before because I wear the same thing all the time. But I put on these jeans. I love these jeans. I actually got them from Shein. They have like this stitching going all over them. I really, really love these, and they just fit my waist so nice. I feel like they make my butt look good. This is my little school outfit. Cute. I feel like it would look cute with a little tote bag or something, but I just have a regular book bag. Now it's time to go fight for some street parking. No, girl, don't take my parking. Don't take right here. Don't even try it. Thank you. Wow, look at me. Parallel parking and shit. If I didn't have cameras though, I would not be able to do this. Last lab, we like planted these radish seeds inside of a plastic bag, and supposedly they started growing. So we're gonna see how much they've grown. It was like a little experiment we did. So maybe I'll come back with some radishes. I don't know. Back from school, I'm gonna be eating some lunch. I have some leftover Cajun pasta that I made like 2 nights ago, but I'm gonna also add a little sausage link. This is my favorite from Beyond Meat. It's the same brand that I usually get the vegan beef from. That is gonna be the end of this little morning routine. This was supposed to be like my college morning routine or whatever. So yeah, it's not morning anymore. I have some other things I need to do. I actually am going to be filming a nail video today, so be on the lookout for that, or probably be up before this video. I definitely need to do my nails. It's been like almost 2 months since I've done my nails. I miss them. But I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment. We need some engagement on this channel. Share it with a friend. Share it on Instagram and tag me. Also follow me on Instagram if you would like. I feel like I'm asking you guys to do a lot of things, but of course only if you want to. But I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.